Is Samsung QLED 4K? Samsung QLED TVs are available in both 4K and 8K resolutions, but the majority of Samsung QLED models are 4K. These TVs use quantum dot technology to enhance color accuracy, brightness, and contrast, making them a premium choice for high-quality viewing. Below is a detailed breakdown of Samsung QLED 4K features. 1. Samsung QLED TVs and 4K resolution. Most Samsung QLED TVs come with a 4K UHD resolution, 3840 by 2160 pixels, offering 4 times the resolution of Full HD 1080p. This provides sharper details, better clarity, and improved picture quality for movies, gaming, and streaming. Second, difference between 4K and 8K QLED models. While Samsung offers 8K QLED TVs, such as the Samsung QN900C and QN800B, the majority of QLED models are 4K, including the Samsung Q60B, Q70A, Q80B, and Neo QLED 4K series. 4K QLED TVs are more common and widely available at various price points. 3. Advantages of Samsung QLED 4K. Quantum dot technology. Delivers brighter colors and higher contrast compared to standard LED TVs. HDR. Support. Features like HDR10+ and Dolby Vision enhance brightness and detail in darker scenes. 120 Hz refresh rate. In higher models. Provides smoother motion for gaming and sports. AI upscaling uses Samsung's quantum processor to improve lower resolution content to near 4K quality. 4. How to identify a Samsung QLED 4K TV. Step 1. Check the model number and specifications on Samsung's official website or retailer listings. Step 2. Look for the 4K UHD label in the product description. Step 3. Ensure features like HDR10+, HDMI 2.1, and AI upscaling are included for the best performance. 5th, best use cases for Samsung QLED 4K TVs. Streaming in 4K. Supports services like Netflix, Disney+, and Amazon Prime Video in Ultra HD. Gaming in 4K. Works great with PS5, Xbox Series X, and high-end gaming PCs. Home theater experience. Enhances movie watching with vivid colors and deep contrasts. Most Samsung QLED TVs are 4K, providing high-quality visuals, vibrant colors, and premium HDR support. If you are looking for a Samsung QLED TV, you will likely find a 4K model, but 8K options are also available for those who want even higher resolution.